Morning guys, this is my light bar. Anyway, let's get this thing installed. I've got these magnet brackets. These brackets go on the sides. Hopefully, yeah, it'll fit, so it'll be good. Alright, let's get this installed and I'll see you clip bits of it being installed. Drilling a hole through the roof. It's going on the front up of the roof. I am drilling a hole. So it's coming down the roof. So it'll come down this pillar on the inside. So it'll come down this pillar here, take this all off. That's molding. Under the floor here. And then right down here. That's where the battery is. And it's going to go up. I'm going to put a switch around here somewhere. So that's what we're doing today. So once I get it all set up here and sorted out, I'll turn the camera back on again and we will start getting this thing installed before it rains. Alright guys, go later. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it, so I've got this panel here. I'm going to bring the wire down so it ends up in there to the ceiling. So the light bar is on these magnetics. I got a waterproof connection that's going on here. I'm going to drill down through here. And then I'm going to put the cup on top of that. Alright. So guys, that was the point of no return there. Let go. Now I put this rubber grommet in. Makes a change. Start the cables getting frayed and all that stuff. Right guys, looks like the weather's starting to change a bit here, starting to rain soon. So. I got this shit on here. Let's see. guys, that's the waterproof connection. Light bar. This is the other one for the backlights. Temporary. Just put in place there. Now we'll get back. Now we'll get down to can't talk. Cut. Now we'll get back down below and start winding her up now, and hopefully light works. All right, let's get down below. Okay, guys, so the wire is all put in, back on the floor, in the body down here. I'll put a switch. Right here. It's lighting up. So it's another switch. Then I'm gonna put the on for the back here. I can reach my big long arms. I was gonna put up here, but there's nowhere to put it here. Nowhere around. So look at now is let me see what it looks like. Turn it off. So guys, a few jobs today. A few parcels for the van from Amazon. We got this. I'll show you. Safe for the back of the van. That'll fit in the back garage area. Got another one of these shut-offs. The shut-off I have is enough ampage, so it's more ampage going through it now, so upgrade the shut-off. Here. Oh yes, of course, this another Harley tent to go up on the wall beside these ones, so I'll probably put it about there. Look at it. There guys, there's the safe in the garage. Punch a code in. Will be open the door. Passports. Tens of thousands of pounds in here. Yeah, right. Colour passports is about it. And a dog's passport. It's bolted through the bottom. And then two screws self-tapping through the back into the membrane, cross membrane in the van. And then code to get into the thing. That's good. One job. So guys, that's the one here. Not working. Shit the bed. And this is a new one which works. So take that off. That off. Okay guys, you're gonna look in there and go, oh my god. Anyway, the charge is there for the battery, and on this one down here, probably can't see it. Right there. But as you can see here, right there is green, and there's another one over here. This one. Right there. too. There's no way. That one down there, she's green, you can see it there. And that's been sitting in here for a year now. Right guys, for a year. My fridge has been on now for a year. Actually just over a year. It's what, December now, near January. My fridge has been on since November last year. The compressor fridge with the solar panels. Well, actually it had 110. Now she's 110, 150 watt. Now we're up to 300 watt solar panels. But yeah, so it just shows you. And it's just the cheap acid batteries. Those two batteries there cost me, well, they cost about £110 each. That's it. Get them cheap. Lead acid batteries. Wait, that's the way to go. Okay guys, so you can plug it in. This will charge up the batteries. And I'll go down in here. And I'll go in the battery bank down here. That's it. And then I got the switch. Here. It's on. And that's my inverter turned on. So I'm going to hoover in here.